Hi friends, this is Nitansh and we are taking our first look at Zolo's newest smartphone which has been launched under a new sub-brand called Black, and surprisingly enough the device is also called as Black only. The device features a minimalistic design with narrow bezels and display being the centerpiece. Below the display panel you will find the usual navigation keys and they are backlit, while above it you will find an earpiece, a front camera and a couple of sensors. Towards the right you will find the volume rocker and the power button. Interestingly enough, the power button also acts as a notification light. It's being surrounded by a notification LED which greets whenever a new notification comes. So it's an interesting placement which allows you to see missed notification in any manners, even if you have put the device on the front or on the back. Towards the back you will find a glossy panel which company claims that has been provided with a oleophobic coating so that it remains smudge free and stain free, although we find it difficult because it attracts fingerprints quite easily and it's also very reflective. You will also find an interesting placement of two cameras flanked by an LED flash, while towards the left of the device you will find a ejectable tray to insert two micro SIMs or a micro SIM and a micro SD card to extend the storage. Coming to the specifications of the device, the Zolo Black features a 5.5-inch display at the front featuring a full HD resolution. As you can see, the colors come out really well and the text also appears to be very sharp. Due to the lighting it seems to be reflective, but we find it to be good with impressive viewing angles. In terms of core hardware, the device comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 octa-core processor, which is complemented by 2 GB of RAM. In terms of basic usage, we didn't find any issue. It seems to be very smooth while navigating between the screens or opening or closing of apps. However, the real measure of performance can only be done when we play some hardcore games on the device. Let's check out the storage which the device offers. It offers 16 GB of storage, out of which around 8.75 GB is available to you for installation of apps or games. You can also use a micro SD card to extend the storage. However, for that you will need to forego the dual SIM functionality. You can also use the USB OTG capabilities of the device. The camera capabilities of the device include a 13 megapixel camera along with a 2 megapixel complementary camera. This allows you not only to capture the scene but depth of the scene as well, allowing for interesting functionalities such as UV focus and ability to use filters. At the front, it features a 5 megapixel secondary camera. The software side of things include Android 5.0 Lollipop, which is being customized with Zolo's in-house custom UI dubbed as Hive. It runs the Atlas iteration of Hive UI and brings some interesting functionalities. Auto categorization of apps being one, ability to use Edge for downloading new themes or creating a private space named Underground, which will secure your apps and keep them hidden from others. Fueling the smartphone is 3200 mAh battery, which claims to offer more than a day's worth of backup. The Zolo Black has been priced competitively at Rs 12,999 and will go on sale exclusively on Flipkart starting 13th July via flash sales model. Zolo has done a great job in bringing a competitive smartphone against the likes of Xiaomi Mi 4i, Asus Zenfone 2 and Meizu M1 Note, and the device appears to be pretty competent against them. However, we will have more to say on the device and its performance, its camera in our in-depth review. Till then, stay tuned. This is Nitansh signing off. Thanks for watching.